Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
All right, widespread rain right now, but seeing signs of it changing to snow in the northwest part of the state. Where was it thundering, TJ? Groton. All right, so now we're getting reports now of thunder snow in Groton, and that's usually a red flag when you start getting lightning and thunder within winter storms, especially snowstorms, that this is really an intensifying storm, and we do expect the snowfall rates later on this evening to really increase dramatically. So here's the setup. Still a lot of rain out there, but the northwest part of the state starting to see the switch over. Down in that Narragansett, wind-driven heavy rain right now. Some of the strongest winds will be felt here, but even down along the coastline, we do anticipate a switch over to some wet, heavy snow. So the strongest gusts, and we've seen gusts already along the coastline of up to 50 miles per hour. Not quite as strong inland, but still somewhat significant, and even stronger out across the Cape and the islands. So potential power outages for two reasons. One would be the strong wind gusts along the coastline, and then inland where we're expecting the most snow. And it's a very wet, heavy snow. It has a lot of weight. Lines and limbs perhaps coming down due to the weight of the snow. So two causes here. Actually wind advisory for southern suburbs and southeastern Mass, and a high wind warning once again for the Cape and the islands. So high impact here in terms of wet, heavy snow, especially across inland areas, strong gusty winds and isolated outages along the coastline due to strong wind. We've brought down the heavy rain risk a little bit, and in fact, the flood watch for rivers and streams has been discontinued, and the river flooding. Some of these rivers are still swollen, but not anticipated to reach major flooding. And here's the concern that I have with this very wet, kind of pasty snow. It clings to everything. It'll cling to shrubs, tree limbs, and power lines, and it has a lot of weight. It doesn't take much snow, even just 3, 4, 5 inches, for these limbs to start to sag. And there'll be other locations that are going to get much more snow than just 3, 4 inches. We've updated our snowfall accumulation. We'll show you that in just a second. Temperatures are still above freezing. That's why initially on the pavement it's still wet. So the snow will first collect on your deck, your car top, shrubs and things like that, and then later tonight as the ground gets colder, it'll start to stick to the pavement. Very impressive nor'easter on the satellite photo. We have our lightning tracker turned on with lightning strikes, and you can see this counterclockwise circulation, this intensifying storm off the coastline. And quite simply, the track is a little further to the east, which puts us in a slightly colder scenario and a better risk of some heavy snow, especially across inland areas. As the storm track shifts to the east, it means more in the way of snow. Let me walk you through it on Futurecast. So keep in mind the colors represent precipitation type. The blue is snow, and the yellows and greens and oranges are heavy rain. This is 7 o'clock in the evening. Darker blues indicating heavy snow. Would not surprise me from roughly 7 o'clock in the evening till midnight if it's thunder snow with snowfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour. So this is 11 o'clock at night. Very difficult travel, poor visibility. After midnight, it's still snowing, but the intensity of the snow starts to ease up. So by tomorrow morning, perhaps a leftover snow shower, but basically a dry, windy day, mainly cloudy skies, improving weather in terms of precipitation, but there may be some more than likely lingering outages, obviously tomorrow, and certainly when you wake up, the roads will be in tough shape, at least some of the secondary ones. So we've certainly increased our snowfall accumulations. The darker blue in the northwest part of the state, 6 to 10 inches of snow, and this has a lot of weight to it. The I-95 corridor, 4 to 6 inches. Again, these numbers will be realized later tonight, even though it's raining right now. And to the south of that, 1 to 4 inches of snow, with amounts much lower out towards Cape Cod and the islands. The winter storm warning for the areas in pink, and as they winter weather advisory for the areas in purple. 7-day Futurecast. Better weather tomorrow in terms of precipitation, despite a few light snow showers. Temperature at around 43, and then dry Friday, Saturday, and into Sunday. So bottom line, the changes, it's the coldest scenario, a little more in the way of snow. The snow has a lot of weight. It's going to bring down some tree limbs and some power lines. Even though it's raining right now, it will change over to snow.
All right, Tony, thanks. More coverage you can count on.